In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update apps, watches, and complications on the WearOS devices. So you will go to the Google Play Store first. You will have to scroll all the way down, and you will see Manage Apps. If you open on phone, it'll just show you different apps you could get on the phone, which are not going to let you update stuff. So I made an update for this app. I will download it. You need to be connected to either Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or LTE, obviously, because it uses the internet connection. So because I'm using Bluetooth, it's going on my phone's network connection, which happens to use my phone's Wi-Fi, which might be a little slower. I disabled Google Assistant because I happen to use Bixby Assistant, but that's a personal preference. And complications. And then if you want to update the Google Play Store, instead of going to Manage Apps, you want to go to Settings, and then you want to go to About, and then Update Play Store, and then it will check for an update. And it'll give you a toast with like a little message if it's up to date or not.